Hey everyone, I've had some questions about statistics regarding margin of error, confidence levels, and confidence intervals. So I thought I would just kind of throw a video together to help everybody out. So what I've done is provided some definitions and an example, and we will go through that. I will just quickly read the definitions out loud. So for margin of error, this is the possible difference between the estimate of the value you are trying to determine, as determined from a random sample, and the true value of the population. The margin of error is generally expressed as a plus minus percent. Confidence interval. This is the interval in which the true value you are trying to determine is estimated to lie within a stated degree of probability. An example would be 62% plus or minus 4.5%. We can use this, we can start with 62 and we can take away 4.5 to find our lower bound, and to find our upper bound, we'll go 62 plus 4.5. The confidence interval is the likelihood that the result of the true population lies within the range of the confidence interval. Studies usually use a confidence level of 95%, although 90% or 99% is also used. Here's our example. A poll was conducted to determine where Canadians obtain health-related information. 61.9% say they research information on the internet. 68.9% said they ask friends or family, and 17.9% said they call a health line. The results of the survey are considered accurate within plus or minus 1.4%, 99 times out of 100. First, what we want to look at is identifying what the margin of error is. So the margin of error is this plus or minus piece. Where it says 99 times out of 100, that's referring to our confidence level. What the confidence level is indicating is that if you were to do this survey over and over and over and over, that 99 times out of 100, you would get the same results that were found in this survey. When we state confidence level, we tend to state it as a percent. So 99 out of 100 will leave us with a decimal of 0.9, which as a percentage is 99%. So my confidence level is 99%. For the margin of error is just that plus or minus statement. So 1.4% is the margin of error. We have three pieces of information regarding percentages. So 61.9% of people will research on the internet. If I wanted to come up with the confidence interval, what I would need to start with is my piece of data. In this case, it's going to be 61.9%. And I need to add or subtract 1.4%, and that's going to be my interval. We could take this one step farther by inputting and finding our lower bounds and upper bounds. So we'll go 61.9 and we'll take away 1.4. And we will get 60.5%. My upper bound will be the same thing, but instead of subtracting, I will be adding 1.4%. What I get there for an answer is 63.3%. So then I can state my full interval as being between 60.5% and 63.3%. I hope this helps you with identifying kind of the difference between margin of error, confidence level, and confidence interval. If you have any other questions, please let me know.